Hello everyone, welcome back to the new episode of our tutorial series on blood bank management system. This is a bug fixing session for our blood bank management system. In our application, whenever we delete our user or donor, the actual physical file of the profile picture of user or donor doesn't get deleted. So in this episode, we will fix that bug. So without further ado, let's move to our tutorial. So first of all, we'll need to open our project. So I'll go to my project folder, which is blood bank management system in my desktop. So I'll open it and let's open the solution file, which is blood bank management system.solution. So I'll just double click on it and our project will open on our Microsoft Visual Studio IDE. And this is our splash screen. So I'll just close it for now. And so let's open our user form. So I'll just close it, not closing, just minimizing it. So let's minimize it. So let's open FRM users, form users. So this is our user form. So let's see our bug in this project. So first of all, let's check the number of image files in our project. So I'll just go to Solution Explorer and here let's click on this icon, so all files, and then expand the images folder. Here we have, let's check 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. For now we have 7 images inside the images folder. Now let's start the application. Now let's log in. So the username and password for our application was admin, and then let's login successful. So let's go to the users form. So I'll just click on users menu and here we have 3 users. So let's add a new one. So I'll just click on select image and I'll just upload this logo, our blood logo. Open image successfully uploaded, and let's add its name as test. Email will be test@gmail.com and username will be test, password something important, and contact number and address I will add as Kathmandu for now. And let's add. I'll click on add. So new user added successfully. So we have one extra user. So now let's check the images. So I'll just close it, and we can go to Solution Explorer and we can see here. I don't know if we can see the image here or not, but I'll just right click on this images folder and I'll just open this open folder in File Explorer. So it will open our folder. So we have the blood icon here. Now let's start the program again and let's log in with our credentials, which is admin, login users, and this was the latest user. So let's delete by clicking on delete button, and user is deleted successfully and user goes away from our database as well. But if we check our images folder, the image is still here. So we need to remove the physical file as well whenever we delete the user or donor. So we will fix this bug in this tutorial. So let's close this, and also I'll stop the application. And first of all, we'll need to go to the code view. So I'll just click on delete button, double click on delete button, and we just went to the code view for our form users. And here at the top we will need to create a global variable for image which we want to delete. So let's create a global variable for the image to delete, and its name, let's give its name as, it will be string data type, and its name will be row header image, and it do not have any value right now. And after creating a global variable, we need to update its value whenever we want to delete the user. Whenever we want to delete the user, we select the user or donor from the data grid view. So we need to go to the row header mouse click option on data grid view. So this is it, and whenever we click on row header mouse click event, we get the image. So we need to update the value of row header or global variable row header image. So let's update the value of global variable row header image, and the value will be row header image will be image name. That's it. So our global variable will have the value image name, which is selected user which we want to delete. And then we need to go to the button delete click event. So let's go to the button delete click event, and before actually deleting the user or user from database, we need to remove the physical file of the user. Remove the physical file of the user profile, and we will only delete the profile picture or image if the user has uploaded. So we'll need to check that as well. So if row header image is not is equals to no image.jpg. So do you know what that no image.jpg is? Guess it, guys. Just guess it and comment below. I'll just wait for you to answer. Okay, now you must have figured it out by now. This no image.jpg is our default image, as we have mentioned in the top here. So this will be the default image. If the user do not upload their own profile picture, the no image will be their profile picture. So we don't want to delete that file. Other than this file we will delete. So we need to check whether the user has uploaded or not. So if this is not the image in their database, then they have uploaded the image. So here we need to get the path to our project folder. So let's get the path of the project folder. For that I'll just copy from above, so which is this one. So this gives the path of the project folder. So I'll just copy it, and then let's go to here and I'll just paste it. So this is path of the project folder, and then we need to give the path to the image folder. So give the path to the image folder. Here also I'll copy from above and paste it here, which is this one. Let's copy by pressing Ctrl and C, and let's paste it here. So, and this image name will be our row header image. So this is the image which we want to delete, and then we need to call the function which is delete the physical file of the user profile. So the function is file.delete, and here we need to give the path of our image, which is image path. So let's just copy it and paste it here. So that's it. This function or this line of code deletes the actual image file from our project. But if we just save it and run it, it will give an error. So let's save it and let's start the project, and then let's log in, which is admin and login successful. And let's go to users and let's select the user. We do not have the current user, so I'll just clear it and add a new user for now. So select the image. I will add a cross icon for now. So just remember, we have a cross as a profile picture. Open, successfully uploaded, and it will be test at gmail.com, username test, password will be something important, and contact will be this one. And let's add the address, Kathmandu. Let's add it. User successfully added, and let's select the user, and we want to delete this user. So let's click on delete button, but we get an error. So the error says, if you scroll it here and if you read the error, it says that the process cannot access file because it is being used by another process. So if you just remember, whenever we want to delete the certain user, we just click on the row header of that user, and the detail gets displayed on the side of our user form, and there our image is being used to display the picture, display the profile of the user on our picture box. That's one error. So we need to clear all the picture boxes and text boxes before deleting the actual image file. And at the same time, we also need to use garbage collection function. So if you don't know about the garbage collection, in C# programming language, C#, Java, Python, etc. programming languages, certain memory is being allocated for certain functions like delete, insert, update, etc. functions. Certain memory are being allocated whether they are being used or not. So whenever that memory is allocated, that also causes such error, and before deleting those memory, we need to like clear all the memory so that it can be used for later. So that we need to call garbage collection function as well. I'll just put the link in the description so that you can read more about the garbage collection. So before deleting the file, we will also need to call the clear function to clear all the picture boxes and text boxes. So let's call clear function to clear all the text boxes and picture box. So call clear, and then we also need to call the garbage collection function. Call garbage collection function, and here we have gc garbage collection dot collect. So this is one, and another one is gc dot wait for pending finalizers. So this will allow us to collect the garbages and allow us to delete the physical file of the user's profile image. So let's save it, and now let's check our program whether it deletes our physical file or not. So for that, I'll just start the application, and let's log in with our credential, which is admin and login successful. I'll just go to users and select the user with the cross profile picture, and let's click on delete button, and user is successfully deleted. So let's check the physical file as well. So I'll just go to our project images, and we do not have that cross icon. So that's it. Let's add the same thing for our donors as well. So I'll just close this icon, and close this and minimize this. Let's stop the project, and then let's close this and close this, and let's open the form for our donors, Solution Explorer. So go to Solution Explorer, we can hide this and go to form donors, and here as same as before, first of all we need to create a global variable. So here let's create the global variables. We have global variable image name. So here create another one is string row header image, and then we need to update the value. Here is the image name, so update the value of row header image. It will be row header image is equals to image name. Sorry, this is not the place. We need to go to Control X, and we need to go to like here, and here is the place. I accidentally wrote the code on button right click event, which was not the right place. This happens, guys, when you are nervous. So it's been a long time, and after a long time I'm here and I'm a little bit nervous. So let's paste it here, and here we updated the value of row header image. Now let's go to button delete. Click here, and here before deleting the donor from database, we need to check whether the donor has profile picture or not. So if a row header image is not is equals to no name.jpg, this means only runs if user has image. So here we need to get the path to the root of the project, which we will copy from above. So this is it. Copy it. Let's go to delete. Where is it? Here. Paste it here, and then get the path of the image. Now let's copy another one, which is this one. I'll just copy it by pressing Ctrl and C, and let's paste it here. So it will be row header image, and instead of path it is path only. So this is it. This one is this one, and then we will call clear function. So clear, and then call garbage collection. I missed C here, so it will be gc.collect, and then gc.wait for pending finalizers. I missed the parenthesis up here. That's it. And finally delete the physical image file of donors. It will be file.delete, and then here we will have image path. So that's it, guys. Let's save it by pressing Ctrl and S, and let's run the application and check whether the delete functionality for donors works or not. So let's log in, admin, login, login successful. Let's open the donors form. So this is the donors form. So before adding the donor, I'll just go to the images folder and check out the image. So here we will upload the new donor. So let's select the image. So I will select this one for now. Image successfully uploaded, and this will be Vijay, last name will be Thapa, email is hi@thapa.com, hi@vijaythapa.com, gender male, blood group O positive, contact is very important, it is Nepal. So let's add it. New donor added successfully, and let's check out the folder. So this must be the user, but I don't know, I cannot open, but here it is. I don't know why it is not showing here. So let's check it out. So here I am. So this is the image file, and here I am. So let's try to delete it. So delete, donor deleted successfully, deleted from database, and let's check out the folder, and it is successfully deleted from our folder as well. So this is it, guys. We have successfully added the functionality or fixed the bug in our application, which was deleting the physical file of user and donor in our blood bank management system. Hope you understood it. So if you have any confusion or anything, then please comment below. I will try to reply as soon as possible. And if you like this video and think this is one of the best tutorial series which can help your loved ones as well, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe. In the next episode we will fix another bug. So till then, stay safe, be careful, and best wishes. So thanks so much for watching. See you soon. Bye bye.